Hi, I'm Ravichandran, founder of Teal2i Technologies. Here I'm explaining how this course issue can be easily fixed using Azure function. Right now I'm accessing on API within my SPFX web part where I'm facing the issue. Let me show you the code in the SPFX web part. So this is very simple and straightforward code. So where I'm just accessing this API in the page load itself and then I'm facing error. This issue can be easily fixed when we access through Azure function. Let me explain the Azure function part. Here this is my Azure function code where I am just fetching the data from the API and returning the data, JSON data. Let me show you how I configure this Azure function. Here you can see I have created a new Azure function. After that I have to make sure go to the configuration and we have to enable two options in order to make the deployment work without any issue. So whenever we create a new Azure function, if you want to use that Azure function deployed through Visual Studio, then you have to make sure these two options is turned on. Also, after you turned on, you have to go to the overview and then restart the function. Then you can download the publish profile and then provide that publish profile to the input of the Visual Studio for the deployment. Then it works very well. Then once you deploy, then you can find this new function available here. You can copy the Azure function URL and then start to use that function URL. So one more important part is we have to go to the course. Then you can see I have configured my SharePoint site URL, domain URL. So once you configure the host URL here, you can configure any number of URLs, whatever the URL you wanted to access. Also you can use the wildcard if you want to make more dynamic, then the issue can be fixed immediately. So now as you can see I am start to using my Azure function URL instead of that API directly. Let me refresh the page. You can see this code works very well without the course error. It's very simple, you can see. So this complete code is available in the GitHub. Also you can find the download link somewhere in the comments or in the blog article. Wherever you found this video, you can find the download link as well. Thank you so much. Sharing is caring.